Artificial wombs are common in the science fiction genre, and scientists are closer than ever to developing one in the real world. They have already created an artificial womb that helped premature lambs develop normally. It resembled a large, clear plastic bag with wires. The goal of the research is to improve the survival rate and quality of life of premature babies, many of whom suffer from cerebral palsy and respiratory complications. The possible consequences, though, include a plethora of ethical quagmires. If humans can be produced entirely without wombs, then they might replace natural births. Many women might prefer birth outside their body for health and vanity reasons. The technology could also be used for sterile women and gay couples. This technology does, however, pose the threat of leading to eugenics and population control if women were sterilized, leaving those with access to artificial wombs as the only ones able to procreate. The possibility of artificial wombs is frightening. Chimeras are organisms with cells from two individuals. Human chimeras do exist naturally, but they are still 100% human. Now scientists have created human-animal chimeras. These researchers are hoping to manufacture human organs in animals by injecting stem cells into the embryos. Scientists hope this will save the lives of people who desperately need organ donations, but this might lead to the further blurring of the line between human and animal. It also begs the question of what it means to be human. How many human cells make an organism truly human? Additionally, if the chimeras were to possess similar cognitive abilities as humans, would they be given the same rights or treated as subordinates? The process may also harm the organism. The real ethical dilemma with human chimeras is their legal standing and how we will tolerate the possibility of human qualities possessed by another species. For humans, exoskeletons are devices that are worn to improve strength and mobility, something most humans would desire. The active pelvis orthosis, APO, was created by European scientists to prevent falls, a dangerous reality for the elderly. However, these exoskeletons are fraught with ethical problems, from cost to retirement. At least at first, they would probably be available only to the wealthy due to cost. Exoskeletons could also be used to push the retirement age even higher and force our elders to work. These devices may also be used by perfectly healthy and fit individuals to enhance their physical abilities. This could lead to a myriad of problems: robotic enhancement in sports, upgrades of soldiers, and longer hours of labor. By vying to improve our strength, we might end up worse off. The idea of head transplants sounds far-fetched. After all, beheading is a form of execution. However, Sergio Canavero has claimed to successfully repair the cut spinal cords of mice. Although many people are skeptical, his group is hoping to test their technique on dogs next. There are many ethical issues surrounding this idea. First, like many donated organs, the brain might be rejected and the patient would have to take drugs to try to prevent this after an incredibly dangerous procedure. These immunosuppressant drugs have side effects including osteoporosis, weakened muscles, and high blood sugar. Additionally, this leads to numerous questions about identity. Having completely new bodies could be traumatic for the patients and lead to increased aversion to organ donations for potential donors. Enhanced pathogens are so potentially deadly that the White House is reviewing the funding of studies that make pathogens more dangerous. Many studies were halted in 2014 due to a string of frightening accidents in labs. Scientists study enhanced pathogens as a way to take defensive measures against the next pandemic. But these disease-causing agents could accidentally cause a pandemic if a super pathogen were to escape from the lab.